Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a stunning cinematic double exposure city portrait using Piviti AI. So Piviti AI is an AI-powered tool that lets you generate and transform images with simple prompt in just a few clicks. And you can also use this tool to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, avatar videos, product showcase, and many more. And if you like to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this tool. And okay, first just open Pipit AI and then next just click Image Studio, this one, and then choose AI Designs, upload your photo like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt if you want, and if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create as you like. And then next, just choose your AI model. In here, I want to choose the Dream, and then just choose your ratio and resolutions and click Submit. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your photo will transform into a double exposure with a glowing cityscape blended with your silhouette like this. But I think the result's not good enough, but it's still worth to try. So if you want to try it, just try it yourself. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.